welcome back to Fabricating Fringe. You'll see that I have my hair kind of pulled back because today I am going to try to put on a pair of magnetic lashes. I've never tried magnetic lashes before, so you'll have to bear with me. I don't have any practice. I really don't know what I'm doing, but I'm really excited to try. Now, these lashes that I will be unboxing and putting on today are from Lashology Cosmetics. Look at the beautiful box. And they have a variety of things on their website. They have eyeliners, they have like stamps so you can do the winged look. I also saw that they have pencils and things like that for your eyebrows, and they also have a lash serum, and this is something I'm really excited to try. Obviously, this lash serum isn't going to show results on this video because it's meant to be used on your lashes and overall help the health of your lashes so that they will grow in thicker and stronger. So as most of you guys know, I deal with hair loss. I have always had thin, fine, blonde eyelashes. So this will be very interesting to see if this serum can assist with how thin and fine my lashes are. Now, I do have just a slight amount of mascara on my lashes just to give it a little bit of color. You'll see that they are not very long. I have little baby lashes. Now, this eyelash enhance serum, I will tell you exactly what it will do. So what this does is it nourishes the roots of your lashes. By using the serum and having it get in the roots of your lashes on a daily basis, it's said to add strength, thickness, flexibility, and help it naturally grow. So we will see in a few weeks how this serum works for me. It's cruelty-free, it's vegan, it's sulfate-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and dermatologist tested. Okay, so let's move on to these lashes. All right, so these lashes right here are called the Classy Lash. And what's nice about these is it's really great for women who prefer a natural makeup look. It's not overwhelming, but still adds volume and fullness to your eyelash. Any eyelash on me is going to enhance what I don't have. So I love eyelashes. I've tried a lot of them. Granted, most of the time I glue them on. I have done eyelash extensions where they stay on for a while, and that's not really my cup of tea. I feel like it's harder on my lashes, and I prefer to be able to take the lashes off at the end of the night. So we'll see. I've been really intrigued with magnetic lashes. So come along the ride with me. If I mess up, you know, it's because this is a first for me. So first of all, I just want to show you guys this cute box with the glitter. It's just a really nice box. Gorgeous packaging. Okay, so this is the magnetic liquid liner. I've already unboxed it. And this liner is meant to last all day long. This eyeliner is water-based. It's non-alcohol based. They say that this is life-proof and weatherproof. So just, you know, living your daily life out there in the weather, these lashes are supposed to stay on all day. Okay, whew, I'm gonna try this liner. Now, I do have a little bit of my normal liner on, so I'm just gonna swipe it over my existing liner. Here we go. Here goes nothing, guys. Clip back my hair, get that out of the way. Okay, I hope that's enough. Glides on really easily. I like that. It's not chunky or messy. It looks like there's a small magnetic strip on the holder, so that's really nice for storage. That was easy enough. You guys see? Oh, look, that grabs really well. Watch this. See? I like them. That is pain-free. Not bad for my first try. So this corner isn't really sticking to anything. I may have not gotten enough or really placed the liner where it needed to go. But I love these lashes. What do you guys think? So pretty. That was easy, easy, easy. I love them. I love them. Not bad for the first time with magnetic lashes. Go follow Lashology on Instagram, on Facebook. I'll have all the links down below. You'll have to check out their different products. Let me know what you think about the transformation using these magnetic lashes. I'll let you guys know about the serum and if I see a difference in my own lashes in the next few weeks. You guys, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.